Hello guys, today we'll be focusing on drawing this engine part here. We start off by drawing the circle whereby the diameter is 58, so circle, diameter 58, enter. This other circle here, which radius is 19, so radius 19, enter. So now we need to obtain these two circles over here. We do so by drawing a line from here 32 millimeter downwards, and then a line across 89 millimeter. We have seen it in the dimension here. Okay, so our next step is to obtain these two circles. So we start off with the small one, which is the radius is 10, so specify center radius 10, enter. Then the outside circle radius is 19, so enter. We can now remove these two lines if you want, but I'll remove mine because I don't want the drawing to be crowded. Our next step now is to swing arcs to obtain this internal arc right here. We do so now by going for the arc command, specify the center. We will add the radius of this, which is 19, to the radius of the internal arc, which is 32, and we get 51. So 51, enter, then we swing our arc. Okay, very good. From this center now we need another arc. We'll obtain this arc by now adding the radius of this, which is 29, plus the radius of the internal arc, which is 32, which will be equal to 61. So enter. Okay, we have obtained our arc. Our next step is to now draw a line from the center here to the intersection of these two arcs. Okay, next step, draw another line from this center to the intersection. Okay, what we need to do next is now to go for the circle command, select right here, right at the intersection here. Okay, zoom up to ensure that it is there, yes. Then now, from there to the circumference of any one of these two circles, the measurement will be the same. So you can see we have obtained back the same radius, which is 32. Okay, now we will trim. I'll delete these two arcs right here. We'll clear these right here. Our next step now is to obtain this external arc here. We will do so now by swinging arcs. We'll go for the arc command. From the center here, we will now subtract this, the radius of this circle, which is 19 from 108. It will be equal to 89, so 89, enter. Swing our arc. Okay, from this center here now, so we will be subtracting 108, subtract 29, which is the radius of this, which will be equal to now 79, so we'll go up 79, enter, and swing our arc. After we have done so, now we need a line from the center of here to where these two arcs intersect, and another line from this center to where these arcs intersect also. After we have done this, now we need to go for the circle command, select right here, the intersection. Oh, sorry, we should extend these two lines here to the circumference. So to the circumference right here, extend this one to the circumference. Get the circle command now from here to the circumference here. Now we will trim. So select these two circles, this and this, then trim. Can go ahead and delete these. Now we have seen where we have obtained our engine part. Thanks for watching.